Hello, dear student. How are you? Hello, grade 11. I am Ms. Shirin, biology teacher. Today, inshallah, I'm going to explain chapter 9, section 3, which is about plant and the structure of plant. Okay, so during this lecture, I'm going to talk about the three main important organs in plant, which are roots, stem, and leaves. Okay, so during this lecture, only I'm going to talk about it on root. As you know, plant from the cellular organism, which is from producer groups. Okay, they are the major on the land. Okay, the major producer on the land, which they make on food. Okay, let's know how they are make fooding because of they have which kind of organ. Okay, the first one, which is about roots. Why roots? Because roots is very important for plant. Okay, so the three types organ: roots, stem, and leaf, and each one has own function and own structure. For example, roots. The function of root, it has rule like what? Anchored. Anchor the plant, which is support the plant for standing from the heavy environment. Okay, for example, a heavy wind. Okay, a heavy running. Okay, how stand it? By what? By roots. And absorb water material from the soil into the stem and leaves. Okay, and some of them they store water and carbohydrate to the roots. And we have, I'm going to explain in some. So stem. What does stem function? The stem, which is support the plant and hold the upright. So forget to talk about where the location of root. The location it is under the ground. Okay, but stem it is upright of the ground, and they are what transport water and nutrient between roots and leaves. Connect the roots leaf to the flowers and the fruits. What about leaves? Leaves, which is the company of making food in plant, which is what they make food by photosynthesis. They using sunlight, which captures the sunlight, and by photosynthesis they make food, which is sugar. Okay, so and they are what? They are exchanging the gases, which is what? Take carbon dioxide and release oxygen. But be careful, it's only at day, but at night it is opposite. Okay, and releases water vapor. Okay, the first one, which is about what? Roots. I'm going to explain root in detail. As I mentioned, root, where the location of roots? Under the ground. Okay, which is what? Support the plant. Clear? Root is very important for plant too. Even it's very important for soil too, which is save the soil from erosion. Okay, which is make the soil moisture. Okay, and absorption, which is absorb water material from absorb water material from the soil. Okay, to the other part of plant, and stores food, such as carrot and potatoes. Is a type of what? Of roots. Excellent. So, as I said before, they have rule which is support the plant for standing. Why? Because they what? Anchorage. And transfer water between leaves, stem, and roots. Okay? We have three types of roots, classified in three types. The first one, which is about top roots and fibrous root and antivenous roots. Okay, the first one, seed as the seed start to sprout. Okay, the first cell which grows is called a primary roots. Okay, primary roots, first root became larger. During this type of roots, the primary roots became what? Became large. Okay, so which is from carrot, potatoes, and radish. The second type is fibrous roots. The primary root, if we make compare between them, in fibrous root, the primary root does not large it as a what? Top roots. Okay, why? Here, The primary roots became what? Become larger. But the primary root in fibrous root does not grow larger, okay? Does not grow larger. So, insect, many small roots develop and branch. Look at the roots. There is many, what? Many roots, okay? Small roots, they are branched. But here, if you look at the roots, one part of roots became larger and stored carbohydrate or nutrients. For example, carrot. Clear? And the last one, adventitious roots grow from the stem. This one is very different. It has two types of roots. It has original roots and another roots. The second root, which is, look at here, this plant. What is this part? It's root. Thus, there is root on. Of course, there is another roots. Okay. So this part of root, where does grow? On the what? On stem or leaves. For example, this root is grow on the stem. Clear? And we have what? Corn. This one. Look at the like this one. For example, this is root, and another roots will form it on what? On stem. Clear? Like what? Corn. Clear, yes, student? Okay. So this is about the type of roots. Let's go structure of root structure. Root structure is very important. The first part of root structure is root cap. Does roots have cap? Yes, has cap. Okay? But what the cap, it has rule. It's protective cover. What is it? It's a protective cover. Which cover what? Or survive what? Save what? Which is cover apical meristem. Apical meristem. Meristem. Where the location? Look at this is a section of roots. This part all, it is what? Apical meristem. What the function of apical meristem, which is cover what? Sorry, it is a root cap. Root cap cover what? Cover what? Apical meristem. There is apical meristem. What the apical meristem? Apical meristem, why is important to save it by a cap, by a root cap? Why it's important? The apical meristem is form what? Growth region. Growth. So from this part, the growing is start of root. From which part the growing is start of root? From what? From apical meristem. Clear? The root where cells are constantly divided. So cell divided in which part? In which part again? Apical meristem. Clear? What causes the primary growth of roots? So the primary growth start to grow because of what? The primary growth of root causes by cell division in which part? In apical meristem. Clear? Okay. Let's go to, very good. Let's go to roots hair. Does machining roots has hair? Of course, it has hair, but small hair. Clear? Our extension epidermis cell. So where we can find the root hair? On the epidermis, which is the outer surface, okay, of cell. Cell increase. So increase the surface area of the root. What's the rule of root hair? Or you can say what the function of root hair? Why it's present? Okay, why it should be grow? Root hair increase the plant ability to what? To absorb. To absorb what? To absorb water and mineral nutrients. To absorb water and mineral and nutrient. From where? From the soil. By who? By root hair. Clear? Look at here. This is a seed. Start to sprout. Okay, will start to sprout. Look at it. It's extension, epiderm. Where you can see the root hair. This part, it is root hair on the surface of, yes, epidermis cell. Note, look at this knot. Look at this knot. Root hair grow from the, as I said, where grow outer layer of cell, which is called epidermis. Clear? As you know, we have two dermis, epiderm and endoderm. So where they located root hair? On the epidermis. Clear? Okay. Yes. Let us go primary growing in root, which means the first growing. Primary growing in root, which is the first growing. Where it started, as we talked about before, at apical meristem. Okay? Root increase in what? Root increase in which shape? For example, its root. Its root on what shape? Lancet. Lancet. Okay? So, lancet. Does root is grow like this shape? Of course not. It is lancet. Through what? Start to length. Through cell division. When start cell division. In which part? Apical meristem. And elongated. Or elongation and maturation in the root tops. Clear? So, dermal tissue, as I talked, we it have two dermis, endoderm and epiderm. And in epiderm, we talked about which is present what? Root hair. Okay? But in endoderm, let's know what is present in endoderm. In endoderm, we have what? Ground tissue. We have what? Ground tissue. Ground tissue. We have ground tissue. Okay? Yes. Ground tissue in roots mature into specialized region, which is they are what? Cortex and the endoderm. Where they're located? Where they're located? Look at this picture. Look at this picture. It's a section of, yes. 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 Okay. Look at this picture. It's a section of what? Of roots. Which is show up what? The part of roots. In this part, what is present? What is present? Epiderm. It is present what? Epidermis. Clear? Which is what? Outer. The outer surface of roots. After, we have what? Ground tissue. And ground tissue, it has two specialized regions. After, inside epiderm, there is what? Cortex. Okay? Cortex, which is contain a large region of root. After, we have what? Endoderm. The first one, cortex, which is inside epiderm. After cortex, which is what? Endoderm. Both a type of what? Ground tissue. Clear? And we have what in this section? We have vascular tissue, which is contain xylem and phloem. Why you mentioned it, Miss Shirin? What is meant? Look at here. Look at this one. What are the regions formed in round tissue? As I said, what are these? Yalla together. Cortex and endoderm. Where they located? Inside the epidermis. Which one inside epidermis? Cortex. Inside cortex, there is endoderm. Clear? What's the cortex located or made of? Made of what? Be careful. Located just inside epiderm. Look at it. This is epiderm. Inside epiderm, there is what? Cortex, which is what is contain largest region of primary roots. Contain of what? Is made of what? Made of loosely packed parenchyma cell. So, cortex is made by or made of what? Parenchyma cell. Clear? Let's go. What the endoderm and where it's founded? Endoderm where is founded and inside the cortex. Okay. What the function of waterproof and behind endoderm cell. So endoderm cell, they have specialized cell for what? Which is they are waterproof. Why? Waterproof plant. What the rule of the waterproof plant? How help the plant? This one. So it's what? It's stop. It is stop what? It is stop uncontrolled movement, which is stop what? Uncontrolled movement of what? Water and forces water to pass what? Through the cell of the regulation. Clear? Okay. Let's go to vascular. As I said, we have two vascular tissue, which is xylem and phloem. Look at it. In most dicot and gymnosperm, tree, xylem is made up at the center of core. Where is made up? Where is located? At the center. At the center. Dicotyledonous usually has what? Floated structure, which is like this one, which pocket of the phloem between the xylem and phloem. Look at the picture. Look at one. But in monocotyl, the center of root is usually what? It's usually contain pith of the what? Parenchyma cell. Have you seen the different? What? Look at it. We have two sections. This section from a plant, from a root plant, which is what? Dicot or gymnosperm plant. This section, a root for what? Monocot plant. Clear? We were talking about xylem. In a dicot plant or xylem is located at the center. This is xylem, okay? This is xylem. It is xylem pocketed and pocketed by what? And it is phloem. Phloem, okay? So which one is at the center? Pith or xylem? Of course, xylem is at the center. In which plant? In dicot or gymnosperm plant. Clear? But in monocot plant, which part is at the center? Pith. Pith is at the center. Okay, this is pith, which is at the center. Have you located? Have you noted which one? There is pith is at the center, and here the xylem is at the center, which is the structure is like X. Clear? Yes. Monocot xylem was acquired in, and this pith is made of which kind of cell? Parenchyma cell. Get it? Have you noted between them? Okay. Yes. Let's go to when from old true formed new roots. When from old root formed new roots. By what? Which is called lateral roots are formed by what? Division of what? Pericycle cell. When the pericycle cell started to grow, the new root is formed. Clear? Okay. Yes, let us go to secondary growth in roots. Does all roots go to the secondary growth? Of course not. Only which can? Only dicot and monosperm trees, their roots go to the secondary growth root. Clear? In which plant does secondary growth in the root commonly is occurred? In what? In dicot and gymnosperm roots. Clear? So only occur in dicot and gymnosperm roots. Clear? So what is the first step in the secondary growth of the root? The formation vesicular what? Formation vesicular what? Cambium. Formed a new vesicular which is called cambium. Between what? Between what? It's very, very important, especially for exam, for true, false, or multiple choice. Be careful. This part is very important. Between primary xylem and primary phloem. So where formed cambium? In the secondary or primary growth? In the secondary growth. Which part start to grow? Cambium. Okay, cambium. Between what and what? Primary xylem and primary phloem. Clear? It's very important. What does the vesicular cambium produce? Produce what? Producing why is important? Secondary xylem toward. Formed what? Secondary xylem toward inside. Toward inside. And secondary phloem toward outside. Clear? Okay. So what is the rule of cork? So in cambium, it's form what? Cork. Cork in the root. Why is important to form cambium or cork cambium? Sorry. It's what? It develop in what? When develop the pre-cycle and produces cork, it's replace what? Number one, replace the crushed outside cell. For example, some cells started to crush it. Who start to fill it, this kind of cell? By what? Cork cambium. And protect the roots. Protected the roots. Look at it. This is a gymnosperm plant, such as pine. And we have two types of monocot and dicot. So secondary growth only present in which type? Gymnosperm plant and dicot plant. Clear? Okay. Yes, let us go function. Yes, like other organ, roots has some important function. The main function of what is it? As I mentioned at the first, they have rule at uncrowing, okay? Uncrowing, which is hold the plant firmly in the soil. And water absorbing water from the soil. And mineral absorbing, where the mineral absorb the root from the soil. And dissolve, which kind of mineral? Dissolved mineral, which is mineral nutrient. Okay, so look at it. Some mineral nutrients in plants. Some of them is very important to take it, but to take it in a large amount. But some of them we should be take it in a small amount. Okay, so it's classified into the first one, which is called macronutrients, and the second one, micronutrients. Micro needed in what? In large amount. Plant needed this kind of nutrient in a large amount. But required for what? High quantity for growth and health. That's why it's needed in a large amount. The second one, micronutrients needed in small amount. Why? It's required to tiny quantity, but still initial. Clear? For example, it's present in your book. Macronutrients such as nitrogen, of course, nitrogen is very, very important for plant, and phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and sulfur. This type of element is very important to take plant, to be healthy plant. Some of them, which called micronutrients, it's okay to, if a plant take in small amounts, such as what? Iron, magnesium, and boron, chlorine, zinc, and molybdenum. Okay, that's all. Let's go. What substance can root store? For example, carrot, potatoes is a type of what? Type of stem or roots. Of course, it's a type of roots. Okay. Look at it. Roots can store what? Carbohydrate or water. Root, it's very important, especially for exam, focus on it. Roots can absorb it, or store it, carbohydrate or water. Some roots, they absorb carbohydrate. Some of them, say, absorb water. Some of them, they absorb both together. Clear? For example, how are carbohydrate transfer? How the carbohydrate transfer in the root? But actually, carbohydrate is formed at leaf by a process which is photosynthesis. Have you know? During photosynthesis, we get sugar. Sugar is a monomer of carbohydrate. How transfer to the root? By what? Look at it. By phloem. Carbohydrate transfer from the leaf to root through what? Phloem tissue. So this is phloem tissue is transferred to the roots. Get is very important. Be careful. Question 3. What happened to excessive carbohydrate in roots? What happened? For example, human. Which organ of human store excess nutrients or carbohydrate? Of course, liver. Clear? So in plant is the same. There is a part which is store the extra, or you can say nutrients. For example, carbohydrate. Which part? What happened to the excess carbohydrate in it? Excess carbohydrates are converted into what? Into starch. Okay. So roots stores carbohydrate. Which kind of carbohydrate? Which is extra or excesses, which is converted into what? Starch, and stored in which part of cell? In which part? Parenchyma cell. Parenchyma cell. Get it? Stored in parenchyma cell. Okay. Let's go. Name some of plant which stores root. For example, carrot, trumpets, sweet, and potato. What does plant in the pumpkin family store in their roots? What they are stored? They store what? They store a large amount of what? Water. Why they store a large amount of water? To help plants survive during what? During or in the dry period, which means there is a heavy environment, there is no precipitation. Clear? What happened to the cell? Go to the drying period. That's why the root of pumpkin, they storage a large of water. So thank you for listening for today. Have a good day, dear student, class 11. Thank you.